Kaya is also known as coconut jam. It is one of the most popular jam eaten in Southeast Asia. This jam is usually eaten on a toast with some butter. Traditionally, the cooking time is approximately 1 hour. But today I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way to cook this successfully. This jam can be kept at least 2 weeks after open, and it's a perfect recipe for lockdown. After some research on the internet, I found out there are a few factors that contribute to the long cooking time. Number 1. Cooking from the stove directly instead of double boiling. The only con is that you have to continuously stir the mixture. Number 2. Instead of using the coconut milk, I'm using the coconut cream. This means you do not use the water underneath. Fourthly, just egg yolk instead of the whole eggs. And lastly, beside plain sugar, I'm also using coconut palm sugar. Here are the ingredients we need. First, separate the egg yolk. The reason why the Chinese like to eat this is because there is a lot of protein in this coconut jam, due to the fact that lots of egg yolk I also use. This is also partially why they call this coconut egg jam. This is a good recipe if you have eggs that are going to expire soon, so you want to use them before they go bad. Now, shave the palm sugar. You want to be really careful on this. Just put the palm sugar firmly with the bottom underneath and use your knife to run through it, using both hands to press on the knife. I think this way is much safer and easier. This sugar are made from coconut palm, and it is easily found in most Asian supermarkets. Let's start cooking. You want to start by beating the eggs lightly. Set it aside. Thanks. Bye.